Hello, Maca family. I'm Dr. Stanton, the head of school. It's so great to reach out to you, and I hope you all are doing well. I have great news. One of the things that we've been looking at over the last 3 weeks is our status as a school. We've maintained the green status, and currently we are at 0 transmissions internally. We have 0 confirmed COVID cases within our student body, and we have 0 that are out for isolation and quarantine. So that is fantastic. It's great to see our students here healthy. The other things that we've been doing throughout this last several weeks is looking at and evaluating what we've been doing here as a school, where the transmissions are, where are some areas that we can address, and what can we do as a school to make sure that we maintain a healthy environment, but also that it is as normal as one can be within this pandemic. So the results of those evaluations, we looked at where the transmissions were taking place. We've improved our air circulation. We've added even more air purifiers than we were having. We've done some additional cleaning and fogging than we've done in more than the last 18 months. We've also mixed cohorts reduction significantly. So we have made sure that the secondary lunchroom isn't as crowded. We've moved chapels to outdoors, and we've even limited indoor activities that we've had. And we're also changed the morning arrival and the hallway procedures so that there's less time that the students are in mixed cohorts in there. Because when they're in the general hallway, they're actually within their cohorts, so that would still be within the plan. It's where we're mixing across because we don't want to have that non-familial transmission. And so essentially whatever change that we've done, we've based it on 4 things. The first one is the number of cases after implementing our measures. Obviously, at 0 is excellent. We are also addressing the transmission of the mixed cohort so that we do not encourage or have an ability within the school to have non-familial transmission. We're also ultimately desire for normalcy for our students. We want them to have a healthy environment, but we also want that to be both mental as well as a physical health as well. And then above all, we want to make sure that we're maintaining what we are as a school and our mission and the things that I've talked about previously in caring and loving for others, and making sure that sometimes we put ourselves aside for those sakes. So after evaluating all of this, there's just 2 updates that we have. The first one is that we've defined green a little better. It is less than 2 cohorts that have an exposure within them. And then we also are eliminating the need for requirement for masks in the hallway. You're more than welcome to do so. In fact, I would encourage you to do so because we want to make sure we're doing those things that are healthy for other people and that we can set ourselves aside. But we're going to leave that up to your discretion at this point because we have made some measures in place so that it's no longer needed amongst the mixed cohorts, because we've limited the time that any cohort is anywhere in the vicinity of each other for exposure is less than 5 minutes. So we're hopefully that's clear and we understand that, and I just wanted to make sure that I reached out to you and tell the great news about where we are as a healthy school and how we have maintained that, and all of these measures that we've taken places and the reset worked. So thank you always for your support and understanding, and we just want to thank you so much for being a partner here at Mount Airy Christian Academy. So God bless and have a great day.